march around this park, and we're gonna take this city. Let's go! Police are trying to stop us! Call the police here! Everybody line up this way!
Birds are not real! Wake up!
Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real! Wake up! Hey! Through the park! Birds are real! Real people! Birds are real! Back to the van! Birds are real!
Thank you. Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real! Birds aren't real!
Wake up!
As our fellow intruders come to meet us, I'm gonna ask you some questions. Is that okay? Yeah! I'm gonna ask a question. You say why. You ever wonder why bird poop falls on your car? Why? Because they're tracking you. Are you okay with that? No! You ever wonder why you've never seen a baby pigeon? Why? They come out of the factory as adults. Everyone, turn to George Washington.
I'm turning.
Turn to George. Listen. I want everyone to say, I'm sorry, George. 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 Everyone take a knee. Everyone take a knee.
Have some respect, birds are real!
You're from the government! Look at how he's dressed! He's dressed like he's from the government! He's in the CIA! What's in the CIA? He's a fan! Listen! I want everybody to say, hey, Eric Adams! Hey, Eric Adams! Hey, Eric Adams! Hey, Eric Adams! Eric Adams is up there in his ivory tower in the Empire State Building right now. And he's quivering! Yeah!
Everyone knows about her. What is he doing? Stealing our personal information.
Birds aren't real! 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 Aren't real!
Listen up, people. Have you ever seen a baby pigeon? No, that's right. Birds aren't real. 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 You're drowned. Birds aren't real. You're drowned. Go home, birds. Go home, birds. Go home, birds. Go home, birds. Birds aren't real. 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 Birds aren't real.
Colonel Sanders would be spinning in his grave if he was down here and to hear this nonsense. Where do you think eggs come from? You think eggs come from drones, robots, something like that? I eat eggs every day. They're not robot eggs. These are real eggs. You crack them open, there's a yolk in there. If it was a fake robot egg, you crack it open, there'd be like a transistor or something in there, right? Yeah.
You want to head over a little closer to these guys?
What's that?
Do you call yourself a bird sympathizer?
Absolutely, 100% a bird sympathizer. My favorite book is To Kill a Mockingbird. You remember that? Yeah, very good. Gregory Peck, nice, you know, good show. Watch that movie, you haven't watched. It's a classic, you're gonna love it. But this will end, and you could have my word on it that when we leave here today, everyone, and I mean everyone, will believe once and for all that birds are real. Yay! Yeah, you'll tell them. You'll tell them. I like this guy.